The title of this book is Big Bird and Little Bird's Big and Little Book. It was written by Emily Perl Kingsley and illustrated by A Delaney. Here's Big Bird, and he says, "I like big things," Big Bird said. There's the little bird. Goes, "I like little things," Little Bird said. Let's see what they like. "I like big balloons." "I like little balloons." "I like mountains." "Oh, I like molehills." "I like whales." "I like goldfish." "I like ships." "I like rowboats." "I like to feed the hippopotamus." "I like to feed the bunny." "I like to play the tuba." "I like to play the piccolo." "I like freight trains." "I like electric trains." "I like Great Danes." "I like chihuahuas." "I like elephants." "I like fleas." "I like watermelons." "I like grapes." "I like big things best," said Big Bird, "but there's one little thing I like a lot." "I like little things best," and said Little Bird, "but there's one big thing I really like. You." The end.